Okay, open your Inventor software and click Part. The next, if you want to change units, you can click Tools and click Document Settings. Click Units tab and change length into millimeter. You can click Apply and Close. The next, we click 3D Model tabs and click Start 2D Sketch. You can use top plan, you can click. And then in here I will create a rectangle objects with these rectangle tools from center points. You can click at these points and move into here. We can set for width into 100 and for length we set into 100. You can press enter to apply. You can use a scroll mouse to zoom in and zoom out, and you can press scroll mouse to use pen. The next I will create circle, start from center point. And in here we can set for diameter into 60. You can press enter. Use polygon tools to create polygons, and we can set for polygon size into 7. You can click start from this point and move to the top here. Click again at this point, corner point. Okay, in here, and also at this point. Use dimension to change length from center points into these points. You can set into 20. Change again in the other polygon objects into 20 in the bottom here. And the last at this point. Use circle tools to create circle from center points. And in here we can click start from this point and we can set for diameter into 20. Click again at this point, 20. Click in here, 20. And click at this point, 20. Now in here we can use a trim command to cut these lines. Okay, also and cut in here. Cut again at this point. Okay, in here. Last at this point. You can press Escape button to close, and you can select this line, press delete button. Also at this point, and in here. Okay, now you can click Finish Sketch. Use scroll mouse to zoom out. And now I will use Extrusion Tools. You can click here Extrude, select at this face. You can press Shift button, hold to add again at this circle. You can move to the bottom here. We can set for extrusion into 100. You can press enter. So it will be applied. You can click in extrusion drop down menu or plus. You can right click in sketch, and in here you can click visibility. So it will be appear for sketching 2D. The next we extrude again at this circle face, and we can set extrusion into 10. You can press enter. The next I will create circle. You can click start to the sketch, select at this face. Okay, we can create circle. Start from center points, and we can set for diameter into 44. Press enter. Finish sketch, and we can use extrusion. Select at this circle. Move to the bottom here. You can click OK. So it will be creating holes. You can see. We create again a circle at this face. You can click start to the sketch. Select at this face, and we can click circle tools and start from center point. I will set into 60 for diameter. Click finish, and now we can use extrusion to extrude at these points. We can move into this direction, and we can set into 20. You can press enter. Okay. Now in here I will change or I will hide this sketch 1. You can click visibility. And then we can create 2D sketch. You can use origins. Okay, we can use this X shape line. The next I will create line, start from this point and move into here. You can press a tab button and we can set into 45 degree. You can press enter. You can press escape button to close. The next you can click finish sketch. Okay, now we can create plan from this line objects. You can click here plan, select these lines and then select at this face. Okay, you can click OK to apply. So it will be correct this plane in 45 degree. Now you can click start to the sketch and select at this plane. We can create a rectangle. Okay, you can click here and click a rectangle, start from this point, and I will move into here. Click finish sketch. Now in here we can use extrusion tools to extrude the rectangle objects with these cut options, and we can set for direction into this point. You can click OK to apply. You can right click in workbench and click visibility, and also in scaffold right click visibility. In the bottom here we can use fillet tools. You can click here fillet and we can set for radius into 4 into 5. You can click at this edge. We set again the next radius into 2 and you can click at this edge. Click in here. Okay, use orbit tools and I will use loop tools. You can select at this edge and also at this edge. The next we use edge again. You can click in here and at this point. Click apply and then you can close this fillet dialog box. Okay, we already create these simple 3D models with Inventor software. And if you have any question about these tutorials, you can comment below this video.